So today we start the topic with continuity and differentiability. So this is a very important topic for theory exam as well as for CET and JEE exam. So first we see what is meant by continuous functions. Continuous function. So a function y equal to f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to c, where c is the point in the domain of function. If the first one is function is defined at x equal to c, that means f of c should be defined, f of c should be defined as real number. Second one is the limit of the function f of x should exist at x equal to c. So limit of function f of x when extended to c exists means that the left hand limit of function should be equal to right hand limit. That is, limit of the function f of x when x tends to c minus nothing but x slightly less than c. X is slightly less than c is equal to right hand limit. Right hand limit is limit of f of x when x tends to c plus. C plus means x slightly greater than c. So when these two LHL and RHL equal, then we say that limit exists at x equal to c. Now this limit means that LHL is equal to RHL, and that should be equal to the value of the function at x equal to c, that is f of c. So this is the second condition for continuous function. Condition for continuous function. So there are two conditions. One is the f of c must be defined at x equal to c. Another one is limit of the function f of x when x tends to c exists, means that LHL is equal to RHL and that one is equal to f of c. So if this equal, then we say function is continuous. Otherwise f is discontinuous. Function is discontinuous at x equal to c. In that case x equal to c, point of discontinuity of the function. Now if function is continuous at x equal to c, here the c is called point of continuity of function. Point of continuity of function. And if it is discontinuous at x equal to c, then it is called point of discontinuity of function. So in short, the function is continuous if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to the value of function at x equal to c. This is the meaning of a continuous function. Now we see some example on the continuous function. Examples on continuous function. A function f mapping R to R is defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Discuss this function, discuss the continuity of this function at x equal to 3. So now the solution is, so as you know the procedure, first we have to find the value of function at x equal to 3, that must be real number. Second one is the limit of function. The limit of two types, the left hand limit and right hand limit. So that left hand limit and right hand limit should equal to the value of the function. Then it is called continuous. So first put x equal to 3 here. So f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3. That is 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. This is the value of function, which is the real number. Now we have to find limit of the function f of x extend to 3. So limit of the function f of x extend to 3. F of x is given as 2x plus 3. So this is the polynomial. So as you study in first year, if it is polynomial, if function is polynomial, then limit of the function f of x when extend to a is equal to f of a. That means the limit of the function is equal to value of the function. So that is got by substituting this x equal to 3 here. So 2 into 3 plus 3, which is equal to 9. So in this case, left hand limit and right hand limit both are overlap. So left hand limit and right hand limit both coincide. So that value is equal to 9. So there f of 3, that is value of the function, is equal to limit of the function when x tend to 3. So we say that function is continuous at x equal to 3. So therefore x equal to 3 is the point of continuity of the function. Then second example, like this second example is, a function is defined as f of x equal to x square plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1, x plus 1 if x is greater than 1. Discuss the continuity of this function. Discuss the continuity of the function of this function. So now we have to discuss the continuity of function at point x equal to 1. Here equal to 1 is given, so we check the continuity of function at x equal to 1. So take point x equal to 1, then f of x is given as at x equal to 1, f of x is given as x square plus 1. So then put x equal to 1, so f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now Find the left hand limit and right hand limit. So first I will find left hand limit. So left hand limit is defined as limit of the function f of x when x tends to 1 minus, means x is slightly less than 1. X is less than 1. If x is less than 1, here f of x is defined as x square plus 1. When x is less than 1, here there x is less than 1, that time f of x we have to take x square plus 1. It is x square plus 1. So then again it is polynomial. So put x equal 1. So 1 square plus 1, which is equal to. Then now we find the right hand limit. The limit of the function f of x when x is approached to 1 plus. The 1 plus is, that means x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1. And this is means x less than 1. So when x is slightly greater than 1, when x greater than 1, here given f of x is x plus 1. Take now f of x is x plus 1. Put f of x in x plus 1. So then again it is polynomial. So we substitute x equal 1. So 1 plus 1 it is 2. Now here the left hand limit, right hand limit and value all same. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to the value of function at x equal to 1, f of 1. Therefore function is continuous at x equal to 1. Suppose if asked to find the point of discontinuity of the function, same function. If asked discontinuity, so here at x equal to 1, function is continuous. Therefore, there is no point of discontinuity because function is continuous. There is no point of discontinuity. So there is no point of discontinuity of the function since it is continuous as x equal to 1. So there is no point of discontinuity of function. Third example. So discuss the continuity of the function. Discuss the continuity of the function. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. If x less than or equal to 2x minus 3, if x greater than 2. See. So now we have discussed the continuity of the function at x equal to 2. Take point x equal to. So here what now? If at x equal to f of x is given as 2x plus 3. At x equal to f of x is 2x plus 3. Put x equal to, so f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is the value of the function. Now we find the left hand limit. Left hand limit is nothing but when x is less than 2, slightly less than 2. So now left hand limit of the function f of x when x slightly less than 2. We write 2 minus. The 2 minus indicate x less than 2. So limit of function when x less than 2, f of x is given as, when x is less than 2, f of x is given as 2x plus 3. Since polynomial, so we substitute x equal to, so 2 into 2 plus 3, which is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. Now we find the right hand limit, means x greater than 2. So when x is greater than 2, that is the limit of the function f of x when x greater than 2, that is 2 plus we write. That is limit of f of x is given as here 2x minus 3. Here f of x is 2x minus 3 when x is greater than 2. So we put x equal to, that is 2 into 2 minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So here observe that the left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So function is discontinuous. function discontinuous at x equal to 2. Therefore, 2 is the x equal to is the point of discontinuity, we call point of discontinuity of function. Since at x equal to function is discontinuous, therefore x equal to is the point of discontinuity of function. Like this. One more example, we see further. So discuss the continuity of the function. Continuity of the function f of x equal to x is to 10 plus 1 by then when x is greater than or equal to 1, x square plus 2 when x is less than 1. We discuss the continuity of this function. Same, so now at x equal to 1, take point x equal to 1. Here x equal to 1, see here x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, f of x is given as x is to 10 plus 1. So put x equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1 raised to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 1 raised to 10 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So now we find the LHL and RHL. Left hand limit when x is slightly less than 1. When x is less than 1, here see x less than 1, f of x is given as f of x is equal to x square plus 2. So put f of x is given as x square plus 2. The limit of the function f of x when x is less than 1, that is 1 minus, which is equal to limit of f of x is here x square plus 2. So since it is binomial, so we put x equal to 1 square plus 2, which is 3. Similarly, we find the RHL. RHL means that when x is slightly greater than 1. For greater than 1, f of x is given as x is to 10 plus 1 for greater than 1. So limit of the function f of x when x is greater than 1. So here f of x is given as x is to 10 plus 1. That is 1 raised to 10 plus 1, that is equal to. Here again the left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So the function is discontinuous. Function discontinuous at x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 is the point of discontinuity of function. Point of discontinuity of function. So remaining examples we see tomorrow, and we have to solve some more examples, that is 4 more examples. How to find the value of something unknown, that is k, if function is continuous, right?